Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you the quickest tip in Revit 2022. If you go to the Insert tab, you have this Load Autodesk Family button. So when you click on that, you have access to all of the Autodesk libraries based in the cloud. So you do have 1,944 results in this library. If you want to change that, you can go to the locale settings and you can switch your region. So for instance, I use the United Kingdom library, which has all of these results. If you want, you can use, for example, the United States Imperial library, and then all of the results show up for that one. You can also change the language, and that gives you a different library. So if I scroll down to Portuguese, for example, that will give you the Brazilian region library, and there are 1,627 results. Let's go back to the English libraries and United Kingdom. Another thing that you can do is toggle your view, so you have a different thumbnail for each of the items. So if you want the smaller list style view, then you have all of those listed out. If you want the bigger thumbnail view, then you have all of the thumbnails larger scale. You've also got every Revit category categorized. And what's unique about this is you do have the subcategories as well. So if I click on furniture, you have subcategories such as beds, devices, seating, and so on. So if I click on beds, all of my beds show up. If you want to select a bed, you can easily click on one and then that is automatically selected. If you want to click multiple, you can easily do that too. So you can press the selection box to select multiple beds. Once you have selected what you want to load, you click on this load button at the bottom and that loads from the cloud, and that is in your project. So to place those items, I will go into architecture component, then all of those items are available to me in the drop down, and then you can place them in your project. So that's a quick tip for Revit 2022. It's by far the easiest way to get Revit families from the Revit library or based on the cloud. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.